We will be exploring jatis in this particular lesson. Jatis are of two types, the Bol jati and the Lay jati. The literal meaning of jati is a unit of the rhythm. Now whether you divide this unit into 3s, 4s, 5s, 7s or 9s, that's up to you. But each of them has their own Bol pattern and a certain groove. Let's talk about Bol jati first. Takit, 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 takit. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Chatushra, as the word suggests, consists of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Taka, dimi, taka, dimi, taka, dimi, tak. Now you have to concentrate because understanding jatis is very important. As we go ahead with complex patterns, if you don't understand the basic formula, also called the tables of this arithmetic, it's going to be very difficult. So make sure that you make your proper notes and use this as an exercise to do that every time you're addressing any technical piece. Let's start again with the Tishra. Takita, dhekita, takita, dhekita. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can clearly hear the groove. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Takita, dhekita. Chatushra. Taka, dimi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Taka, dimi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, which is khand. Taka, takita, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taka, takita, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita. Let's go to 7, which is khanda. Taka, dimi, takita, taka, dimi, takita, taka, dimi, takita. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Taka, dimi, takita, taka, dimi, takita. Clear? 9. Taka, dimi, taka, takita, taka, dimi, taka, takita, taka, dimi, taka. This is complex. I'm warning you. Make your notes and make sure that you say the bols with absolute clarity. Let's start again with 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. Tishra, 1, 2, 3, 4. Takita, dhekita, takita, dhekita, taka, dimi, taka, dimi, taka, dimi, taka, dimi, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, dimi, 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 taka, takita, taka, dimi, taka, takita, taka, dimi, taka, takita, taka, dimi, taka, takita. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!